This iconic coach park is designed to attract tourists and visitors to country parks by enhancing the transportation and catering. Let's start from its ground floor. In the middle of the ground floor is an levitable turntable with loading areas and washrooms at both ends. After the turntable has rotated and aligns with the entrance of Coach Park, the coach can be driven onto the pallet. The turntable will then rotate to align with the loading area at both ends of the turntable for passenger boarding. Turntable can turn further to align with the exit for coach departure, or continue the rotation to align with the entrance for a U-turn exit. As a safety precaution, red warning light will be illuminated throughout any turntable movement. If the driver decides to park the coach in this coach park, the turntable can raise the pallet together with the coach to align with the floor of the automatic parking system on the second floor. Let's now bring in the second floor of the coach park to review the actual operation. To park the coach, driver firstly need to park it onto the pallet. The turntable will then raise it to the second floor. The automatic parking system will move the pallet into the assigned parking slot and send another empty pallet to the elevated turntable, which in turn will lower it to the ground floor and get ready to serve the next coach. In this example, the turntable assists the next coach to get access to the loading area number 2 for passenger boarding. Another coach can now park onto the pallet after offloading the passengers. The system will then move it to the assigned parking slot. By adopting this parking mechanism, another 8 coaches can be closely parked together in the coach park. When it's time to pick up the coach, the system will just reverse the parking process and send the coaches back onto the ground individually. The area of the second floor is larger than the footprint of the ground floor because it spans across the road underneath. As a safety precaution, the automatic parking area is isolated from all other public area. The turntable facilitates coaches to exit either in the forward direction or in the opposite U-turn direction, as demonstrated by these 2 departing coaches. Stairs and hydraulic lifts that leads to the souvenir shop and double-decker cafe on the scenic second floor are available next to each of the loading areas. Group tourists that come by coach, as well as all other visitors, can enjoy great food in this air-conditioned cafe before or after their exploration in the country park. The scenic view through the window curtain at different seasons, time of the day, and weather conditions can help to attract returning visitors. Cooling towers are in place on top of each lift shafts to ensure a comfortable environment in the cafe at different weather conditions. Consider some visitors may not have sufficient time to spend a road trip to the country park. A helipad is therefore available to facilitate their swift visit via helicopter. I hope you would enjoy this presentation. Thanks for watching and bye now.